Did you know that Calabar was the first federal capital city of Nigeria as far back as 1906? Located in the South-South region, Calabar is renowned for its rich history, vibrant culture, and natural beauty. Before the capital moved to Lagos and eventually to Abuja, Calabar held a significant place in Nigeria's early political landscape. Watch this video till the end to discover why the capital was eventually relocated to Abuja. On the 12th of December 1991, Abuja officially replaced Lagos as Nigeria's capital for strategic reasons. First, neutrality and national unity. Abuja's central location makes it ethnically and religiously neutral, unlike predominantly Yoruba Lagos, which was important for a country with more than 250 ethnic groups. The site was not dominated by any major ethnic group, neither Hausa, Igbo, or Yoruba, therefore symbolizing national unity. Secondly, overcrowding in Lagos. Lagos experienced severe congestion, housing shortages, traffic issues, and strained infrastructure as it functioned both as a commercial hub and the federal capital. Thirdly, security concerns. As a coastal city, Lagos was susceptible to naval attacks, whereas Abuja's inland location provided enhanced security, especially in light of lessons from the Nigerian Civil War that occurred between 1967 to 1970. Fourthly, planned city advantage. Abuja was conceived as a modern capital with wide streets, government zones, and green areas, drawing inspiration from Brasilia and Washington, D.C. Fifth, land availability. The Federal Capital Territory spans about 8,000 square kilometers, offering ample space for growth, unlike the land-constrained Lagos. The timeline of the capital relocation. The decision to move the capital was made in 1976 under General Murtala Mohammed, with construction starting in the 1980s. The official move took place on the 12th of December 1991 under General Ibrahim Babangida's tenure. Nigeria's previous capitals. Nigeria had Calabar as its capital pre-1906. It served as the initial capital of the Southern Protectorate and the Oil Rivers Protectorate under the British colonial rule. Also, Lagos served as its capital from 1914 to 1991. Lagos became the capital following the amalgamation of the Northern and Southern Protectorates, and it retained this status even after independence in 1960. Here is the backstory. General Ibrahim Babangida, popularly known as IBB, expedited the relocation of the capital from Lagos to Abuja following the 1990 Gideon Okar coup, which resulted in bloodshed at Dodon Barracks and claimed the lives of numerous soldiers, including General Babangida's personal chief security officer, Colonel UK Bello. At that time, IBB recognized that Lagos was not a safe location for the head of government due to the frequency of coup plots. The controversies. The relocation led to the displacement of indigenous groups such as the Bagi people, and this is still an issue that remains unresolved till date. While some argue that Lagos continues to be the economic hub of the nation, Abuja's planned infrastructure and neutral status affirms its role as the political capital of Nigeria. For more detailed information, follow us at Confidential History Channel.